Hey, how's it going, YouTube? Josh here with Work Save Bitcoin, the channel where we talk about protecting your time and energy by saving in Bitcoin, no matter your budget. Today, we're tackling a topic that might sound wild to some, but it's simply logical to Bitcoiners, and that's a $1 million Bitcoin. For those who understand Bitcoin's fundamentals, this isn't a moonshot, it's inevitable. Let's break down the events driving this trajectory and why Bitcoiners stay focused on the bigger picture. Global events pushing Bitcoin to 1 million, the world is shifting fast, and Bitcoin's at the center of those seismic changes. Nations are drowning in debt, with central banks printing money like there's no tomorrow. This devalues your fiat currencies and drives people to seek sound money like Bitcoin. De-dollarization, countries like China and Russia are moving away from the US dollar, highlighting the need for a neutral global reserve asset. Institutional adoption, companies like MicroStrategy and nations like El Salvador are setting the stage for massive institutional and government Bitcoin accumulation. The U.S. Strategic Reserve, the U.S. is considering a bill to buy 1 million Bitcoin as a reserve asset. Meanwhile, rumors suggest other countries are already quietly amassing large amounts of Bitcoin. These events create a perfect storm where Bitcoin, with a fixed supply of 21 million coins, becomes the ultimate hedge against a broken financial system. Fundamentals over short-term price action. Here's what sets Bitcoiners apart. We don't care about short-term price swings. While the world panics over volatility, Bitcoiners focus on the fundamentals. Decentralization, no government or institution can control Bitcoin. Scarcity, only 21 million coins will ever exist, making Bitcoin the scarcest asset in history. Transparency, every transaction is recorded on a public ledger for anyone to verify. Bitcoin's value comes from its sound money properties, not its price. $1 million Bitcoin isn't about speculation, it reflects its role as the strongest form of money ever created. Fiat has no floor and Bitcoin has no ceiling. Let's talk about why $1 million Bitcoin makes sense. Fiat currencies have no floor. Central banks can print unlimited amounts, destroying purchasing power of everyday people. Just look at countries like Argentina or Venezuela. Bitcoin has no ceiling. Its value grows with adoption and utility. As more people and institutions adopt Bitcoin, its purchasing power increases exponentially. Fiat's only way forward is by more money printing, which constantly pushes Bitcoin's ceiling higher. In a world where fiat races to the bottom, Bitcoin is the life raft. The bigger picture, a tool for positive change. For Bitcoiners, it's not just about price, it's about creating a better world. Bitcoin represents financial freedom, fairness, and opportunity for everyone, no matter where they're born. It's a way to store your time and energy without fear of theft through inflation or manipulation. Bitcoiners see the bigger picture, a future where money is sound, transparent, and empowering for all. Once you understand Bitcoin's fundamentals, short-term price movements will no longer faze you. Your time horizon will shift to years, even decades, because you know the potential that Bitcoin holds. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And as always, let's work, save, and build a brighter future with Bitcoin. See you in the next video.